You're now tuned in to RadioDR.co.za.
Yeah. Yeah. Switch it to pace. Switch it up. Switch it up. Switch it to pace. Switch it up. Living life fast. Switch up. Reporting live. Yeah. Hey. Hey. Switch it to pace. Moving too fast. Stay in your lane. Get to the cake. Lead it away. Switch it to switch it to pace. Moving too fast. Living life. Get to the lead it away.
Give me something for the night, give me something for the pain. Give me something that would last me all the way. I give him something that would like, give him something for the night, give him something that would last him all the way.
I switch up the pace, I ain't afraid. Stayed in my lane, I follow to twit. Switching them gears, don't need a break. Smoking the air, might need a break. Getting that cake, smoking that dank. Pass on my deal, so she ain't dead. Scoopily tail, making the bed. Keeping the peace, making the cheddar. I switch up the pace, I can't bangan. Granny sipping, they ain't feeling safe. I'm making them shake, I'm causing a tremor. They say it's a quake. Went to the bank and I opened the safe. Phone J, know what he say. He in the stew, we got a lace. I said it's cool, I'ma be late. I deadly breaking. I switch up the pace, moving too fast. Stay in your lane, get to the cake, lead it away. Switch it to switch it to pace, moving too fast. Living life, get to the lead it away.
Give me something for the night, give me something for the pain. Give me something that would last me all the way. I give him something that would like, give him something for the night, give him something that would last him all the way.
Switch up the pace, Chitty, you mad, you gotta chase. It's in the bag, she wanna stay. I got some plans, you need a cape, I need a cab. You want a date, this is your chance. I'm calling a Uber, dog, I got a dash. Don't do my tuba, I ain't got the app. Off to a party to hustle some cash, so we switch up the pace. And we got on the decks, murdered the stage, off to the next. Taking your bait, but you can relax, it's just for the day. She gon' be back, Unguleli safe. I couldn't escape, had to be safe. I pulled out the disc, put it in place, gave me the cake. Facing the bitch, she saying my name and I switch up the pace. Moving too fast, stay in your lane. Get to the cake, lead it away. Switch it to switch it to pace. Moving too fast, living life. Get to the lead it away. Get to the cake.
Give me something for the night, give me something for the pain. Give me something that would last me all the way. I give him something that would like, give him something for the night, give him something that would last him all the way.
Switch it to pace, moving too fast, stay in your lane. Get to the cake, lead it away. Let it away. Switch it to pace, living that fast. Let it away. Switch it to pace, moving too fast, stay in your lane. Get to the cake, lead it away.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live again on RadioDR.co.za. Reporting live again, it's your boy Umlazi holding it down city to city, titty to titty. Chilling here with my player, my brother, my partner, my loved one, the champ. Chilling with the champ. Reporting live again, it's your boy Umlazi sitting with the champ. Nigga, let it be known.
Yeah.
Feeling like Mike Tyson in 86. Feeling like Ali in 76. Nigga. Feeling like Mayweather in 016, nigga.
Baby J Clearfan.
Ha, Ngakini. Chilling with the champ. Ding, 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 ding. Ngakini. Teka wantshela uLeba transfer, awutshela my connection. Awutshela my connection transfer kanti wine imali kodwa ayibuthi xaxele. Ungasasho dogam. Nigga, how it feel like being number one, nigga?
Feels like being the ace, dog.
How it feel like being number one, nigga?
Feels like how it's been the whole time. Nje.
Chilling with the champ.
Ngunamba basonke lesikhathi mJ.
Chilling with the champ.
What's we
Undisputed.
Enter man.
Nigga, let it be known, nigga.
Get out here. My Connect champ.
The champ. The champ.
K911.
The champ. At the champ on Instagram. At the champ on TikTok. At the champ on Pinterest. Google the champ.
Ngakini.
Ngakini. Airbnb the champ. Where the champ stay. Ngakini.
Get out here, my nigga.
Nigga.
Yeah.
How it feel like being number one, nigga?
It was on Dwadla.
Nigga.
This whole time we hanging out nje uthuli lindele ukungidwadla nje uthi ngizombamba lo
How it feel like being the champ, dog?
for sake dog.
Bathini bese my connect manje bathini dog kamebiphi ingoma ezo playlist bese. Iphi video ezongena bese iphi video dog iphi bese ezodwadla bese iphi video ezongena dog.
Kunyaka ama prices were set differently.
Oh, I said differently.
Sebenza ngebank asisebenzi.
Oh, ba transfer.
Yeah.
Benza kahle phela mfethu. So benza kahle
Benza
mfethu. Benza kahle.
nge-resource.
Benza kahle dog mfethu.
Yabo.
Manje mfethu
Not to say ke phela yabo, I'm sure there's a lot that's going to, you know, open up because of this opportunity.
mina ngibonile mina mfethu ilibe lidwadlile nje switch up the pace with gagas. No. It's because the nigga got the champ.
Groundwork. That's groundwork. That's groundwork.
Because the
It
nigga
was
chilling
just
with the
about
champ.
time. It was just about time, yabo. It was just about time.
Yeah.
If by only Safai by only said the next one, most certainly.
And also it's
Yabo.
the champ. Yeah, exactly. Dog.
But say by check out my email this is the guy, boy.
It's the
same
champ.
one. It's the same one.
Azisho es.
Okay.
Azisho dog. Ameza uDecember.
Yeah, boy.
Eza uDecember dog. Yabo manje sugcwalisela ama ex. Shout out to bonke mentioned who are crucial
Shout
throughout every step of the way. We appreciate
Shout
it.
out
Sit
to
down for the
Abelu.
mix.
Yeah, pass the mix, bro.
Yeah, nigga, let it be known, nigga. Chilling with the champ,
The
motherfucking MC in the city. Cause ngibonile uposter ku WhatsApp ngathi nigga ngabheka oh kodwa ngihlele no crank I think or some shit.
Yeah.
Noma ngihlele nonkosi. Ngihlele no ngathi let me investigate this shit. Ngathi oh shit it's the champ. It's the champ, nigga. Babonile abangabawonile ngathi ayizasha mfethu zasha. Mhlawumbe I'm gonna khona isayine ngiyibone lapha nephethe isiginci I don't know what it's saying what nje inswe mfana ngi-interview na.
Ngizama ukumfenesa vele brain from the
What's
time.
her name? Angel.
Angel Mazibuko, yeah.
Angel Mazibuko. I sazo we
I
gonna
first saw
highlight
her
you.
on Idols, cabang.
She been
A year
hustling.
ago, yeah.
Shout out to her, man. It's your time now because I knew the champ too.
Yeah.
Women's Month. It's by not on August.
Yep.
Yeah, nigga, let it be known. Let it be known, nigga. September.
Yeah, Fikes doing ngani kuyawinwa ngo-August.
Nigga! Chilling with the champ. Man, let's add my views and switch up the pace. Let's see abantu.
I switch up the pace angazi ngiyi-check it dog because it's
Uthi
up
no
on
konke
konke,
konke
dog.
mfethu.
Angimazi mhlawumbe usalele dog. I haven't seen him today.
Oh, hey. Phela it's hanging around with the champ can get tiring. Nigga gotta recover, gotta recuperate, get back in the zone to continue the reign, to continue the dynasty, nigga. Man,
Phela, after the unforeseen circumstance eyenzekile yabo seriyaphile with the PC game, so probably banging beats la ekhona.
yeah, wenza kahle. Chilling with the champ, ladies and gentlemen. Don't you forget that. That's the most crucial, important part of the shit.
Hayi bona kumchipa mjeja kalasi.
Bathini abantu nge-quarantine tapes dog.
That's the hardest shit in the streets right now, bro.
Bakhala uthi yabo mfethu verse like AK with no apologies dog. He went ham. He went ham, he snapped. He just lost control.
Yeah, every day there's somebody new that's discovered that song. It's
First bangene dog.
but a song
Quarantine
that's
tapes the
creeping up
shit.
on people, like personally, it paid me, dog. Like it's getting like a response, a genuine. But with regards to numbers, imchita like me is like second to quarantine.
Ngizwe ukuthi quarantine bayisipanisile for Thursday's show.
Yeah.
Fizz, we gonna get them royalties. We gonna get that check, nigga. I'm chilling with the champ. I'm chilling with the champ.
Isn't.
Let it be known. City to city, titty to titty.
Titty to titty.
Coming to England near you. Reporting live again, it's your boy Umche. The incomparable,
Showcase.
the legendary, the myth, the champ. In the flesh. Let it be known, nigga. Yeah, it's Safan Shy Vita never had it. This with Celestial Mike.
Yeah.
He's about to drop some shit.
It's actually in the pipeline. If you remember, we had set a date and then one mix up here.
Yeah,
shoots.
but yeah. Sazwe
Yeah,
Sasa
so we set.
Never had it is next. Coming to a bad bitch near you. Shout out to all the bad bads in Glenwood streaming. Shout out to all the bad bads. Go Maboneng, Midrand. We appreciate it. Shout out to all the young honeys. Go Brighton Beach. Shout out to my nigga Lungel for the plug, letting me know what's going down in that beach. We was there, Jay, during quarantine privately. Sadluna, we conjunction, Guapil. Jay, shout out, we appreciate it. Shout out to Bonko Meshante. Shout out to Wonka, my ex. This is serious right now. Shout out to Bonko Koko. We appreciate it. Shout out to Bonko of our shy fraud. We see y'all. We gon' join y'all. We in this motherfucker. KwaZulu Republic online store coming soon to a titty near you. Shout out to Bonk all over selling that merchandise. Shout out to MC Cranky, killing it with his shit with like showing me the new designs for his label, and I was showing him new designs for KwaZulu Republic and shit.
Yeah.
Chopping it up, discussing some shit. Do December for all fix it.
To build, though.
First fix it Shibli. First fix it Pimple Pixie Champ.
Showcase.
Chilling with the champ.
Well, I already know if I don't see you for a couple of weeks, suke kushubile ngempela.
So saying
Ifrod isuke imngedla.
I so
Khona abantu abasuke sebelahlekelwe imali zabo. I was already worried ufika nje namhlanje ubhizi uphendulana nengcinga into engapheli la.
Ngela wena sakuba fraud
Mafrota best fraud,
fraud toka impilo face impilo toka. Shout out to Noxie Malkia, she's about to drop some shit. Shout out to Slow L been dropping some shit. Shout out to Low Key, shout out to Lungelo Mans that sometimes videos the shit.
Yeah, shout out to Lungelo Mans. I was checking out part 2 of his documentary, Sad Boys and Girls. And something girls, yeah. I actually watched both today. It was dope. It was pretty dope. Something I ran into as well was by Luansta and Lungelo Manzi feature, and I was like, hey bo,
yeah,
collab and before I even heard the song.
Yeah,
sure. Tuban is doing
the things. Doing the things.
Yeah.
Yes. But right now I'm chilling with the champ.
Silo. I just saw a video. Eshuto Silo Tokam Intswempo. But I'm trying to remember this guy's name. I'm not familiar. M Tunes. He dropped a jammy video. I call Eshuto Silo. Shout out to the CEO.
Shout out to the deep rooted TV and CEO Silo.
Showcase.
My nigga, my player, my brother. I'm have to interview that nigga too.
Showcase.
Shout out to Deeply Rooted, holding it down, reporting live again. It's your boy.
Yes, I see Langawakota that coming so clock.
Nigga, light up that blunt. Chilling with the champ. Let it be known. People are loving Switch Up the Pace music video. Umlazi Incorporated.
Definitely,
holding it down.
There's been a great response even to the song.
Yeah.
What's funny is I don't usually catch these songs on radio. Somebody's always gonna call me, WhatsApp me, or some shit like that while it's playing or after it's played, and you know it's good to see there's a natural response to it.
And the video's dope.
Yeah, Switch Up the Pace actually premiered on the top 5 of Inanda FM when it dropped, and again. Now we gaga, so in the top 3. So that's pretty dope.
Because we chilling with the champ.
Big shout out to Gonke Kids. Big shout out.
We chilling with the champ.
Shout out to 2240.
Yeah, nigga. Let it be known, nigga. We chilling with the motherfucking champ. MC of the motherfucking year. Courtesy of Mike and Next. Shout out to Ipuda, shout out to Kakasi FM for holding it down. We appreciate it. Shout out to Wonkama Mafia behind the scenes that we don't even know. Spreading a good word for a nigga. We appreciate it.
To Omeshent.
Yes.
This is in day, right?
Yeah, man. Quarantine is quarter to over. Fuck Ramaphosa. Still, you know, we gonna get them quarantine checks like we supposed to, nigga. Shout out to my nigga L2. Some shit with Mr. Price coming through. Holla. Yeah, nigga. Do I get love into Zoom like I get love in Umlazi? It's all love. It's all good. My nigga L2 on his lapana. Shout out to Keith, shout out to Amy, shout out to the Mr. Price team. Kona nje mfethu snacky nyani zovumbuka. And your boy gonna get that check as like he's supposed to. We appreciate it. Yeah, mfethu got push it talk, stacking up this money to go with the merchandise, and then after that we open up some more businesses. Double up after that.
Been the plan, still the plan.
Yeah, well, I might just pull up Ngakini. Music video coming soon. Live performances coming soon. Shout out to MC Crank. We're building some other shit right now.
Showcase.
Umlazi getting organized, all over getting organized. Focused on that moolah.
Also a big shout out to Ella Anjalo. She dropped her EP and she's doing like radio runs right now. Got the Uzo Shai interview in Nanda FM. I think tomorrow. And she's been getting proper play even on the station. Konke and I made it to the project. Tell me, so go check it out. Uelwa Beautiful Birds EP, it's out there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
They gonna get that heat. They gonna get it the right way. Shout out to your girl Yashna doing the things. You know, we waiting for that new music. Shout out to, you know, Rob on Third Floor doing the things. We just finished wrapping up his shit. Izazi. We might see y'all motherfuckers at the Grammys. Shout out to...
pretty dope. I also saw a Rob on Third Floor feature though. Noma Rams. Is like one of my favorite house producers for a while now.
Yeah.
Yeah, since the days of He Cut the Cake, No Moonchild. That's about 8 years ago. I've been checking him out even on SoundCloud and Snow Spheres. We used to download and bump his shit hard back in the day,
yeah, shout out to Spheres, CEO Dark Heart Clothing.
Yeah.
Bazoinya.
So I'm looking forward to hearing that jam as well because I didn't get the opportunity to. I just saw him post about it on WhatsApp. Yeah.
It's all over about pushing. Shout out to your boy Loki holding it down, shitting on these niggas.
Big shout out to Loki, though. Big shout out to Loki. The songs he's putting out, like, people is speaking about him, like, you know, people is speaking about him, like, even though he's always in a song with a cluster of features or some shit, he's always being spoken about.
Yeah.
Yeah, pushing down.
Yeah, dog. Yeah. Kids it in, nigga. Keep your foot on their neck.
Also, yeah.
We chilling with the champ.
Reporting live.
Ngakini.
Reporting live. And that's the jam. That's the jam that put me on. I did that jam in the final. Reporting live. Alenge, still who I was too. Yeah, in the top 16. That's the semi-final round, and then in the final round, top 4. I did Too Dynamic in Quarantine.
How did they do that shit? Like,
well, firstly, you send a video, and then you make it through that. You send another video, an unedited video of you performing live now, and then after that, they call you up for the top 32. Top 32, you're given 2 beats to jump on and a third beat randomly, going at 4-4, eliminating 2 per round. So from those teams, Puma U222 or keep it top 16. Top 16 gets to perform 1 song each. And then back at the top 4. Top 4 does a 6-minute set. And then they crown ace.
Ha! The champ! Nigga, let it be known, talk that shit. Bese batransfera baleni. Noma also wesixoxela. So wesixoxela sazophinde sixoxele behind the scenes.
It's out there. I'm gonna take it page.
We gonna discuss that later. privately.
It's
Off air. Off air. We ain't gonna share that.
Like I told you,
we gonna hide that.
Before I entered that competition, bro. Like, if there's anything I want out of it, is those pictures. So I just needed to get to the performing, stage of the competition. Like even before I
tell the people about
the video.
my visuals and my performance.
That's exactly what I want.
It's okay, fine. So I sing with you. I'm not saying I'm a video. I'm post them.
So that's exactly what I wanted. But I told him if I'm entering, nonetheless, it's a competition.
Yeah.
And
now you're the champ.
Yeah, you had to go at it.
Reporting live again. It's your boy Jay.
Peace Maharaj, dog.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a boy I acquainted myself with throughout that competition. Pretty nice, and he came out second. Yeah, that's dope.
A push
big
shout out to Bonkolo Vesenand. Yeah, man.
It's actually on in SAPC one. It's a rapper Petlisha. One mic. One-on-one. One mic.
One mic.
Yeah, Shandy's like, I'm not sure if he made it to the finals because the episode like he went through to the next one.
As they should talk. Durban City, KwaZulu Republic, reported live again.
Yeah, not much. We out here. Pora Umlazi, NUZ.
Awesome.
9/11, KwaZulu Republic.
Shout out to Bonko Bay. We appreciate it. Shout out to all the DJs. Show me love. Shout out to DJ Zira. Shout out to T-Bag. Shout out to Wobbly. Shout out to Nan.
Pull up Ngakini.
Uzira, she was doing some DSCV shandies and she was bumping that shit.
That's dope.
We appreciate it.
That's dope. Shouts.
Shout out to Bonko DJ. Shout out to all the radio stations. Shout out to all the bloggers fucking with us. Shout out to all the bosses fucking with us. Shout out to Bonko Bay that's fucking with us. We appreciate all of that.
Shout out to all the responsible admin teams opening their emails out there.
We appreciate that too.
We appreciate that.
Nigga, let them know where they can find you. Dokam online. Dokam.
AK911. AK_9 number 11 ikam everywhere. If you want to totally just Google AK911 AkiXXi. Zish.
On YouTube, what's the YouTube channel?
Go on YouTube and search AkiXXi. AK911, bro.
Ngakini. Reporting live. City to city, titty to titty. Shout out to Wonk all over. Shout out to Deeply Rooted DBN. Shout out to Silo. Switch up the pace, holding it down on KwaZulu FM and on your motherfucking internet wave. YouTube screens, Ngakini. Video doing exactly what it's supposed to. Chilling with the champ.
We out here.
Shout out to Mike and Next. Shout out to Bonko. We appreciate it, man. The champ coming through with another video. Never had it. It's gonna drop soon. So let's do Mike the champ as well. Nigga won last year. The next video is dedicated to the champ. The motherfucking next video is dedicated to all the champions, nigga. Holla at your boy, holding it down, deeply rooted. Ngakini.
Reporting live.
You're now tuned in to RadioDR.co.za.
Yeah. Switch it to pace. Switch it up. Switch it to pace. Living life fast. Switch up. Reporting live. Hey. Switch it to pace. Moving too fast. Stay in your lane. Get to the cake. Lead it away. Switch it to pace. Moving too fast. Living life. Get to the lead it away.
Give me something for the night, give me something for the pain. Give me something that will last me all the way. I give him something that will like, give him something for the night. Give him something that will last him all the way.
Switch up the pace, I ain't afraid. Stayed in my lane, I follow to twit. Switching them gears, don't need a break. Smoking the air, might need a bake. Getting that cake, smoking that dank. Pass on my deal, so sure ain't dead. Scoopily tail, making the bed. Keeping the peace, making the cheddar. I switch up the pace, I can't talk bangan. Granisi bin, they ain't feeling safe. I'm making them shake, I'm causing a tremor. They say it's a quake. Went to the bank and I opened the safe. Phone Ilum J, know what he say. He in the stew, we got a lace. I said it's cool, I'ma be late. I deadly break and I switch at the pace. Moving too fast, stay in your lane. Get to the cake, lead it away. Switch at the pace. Moving too fast, living life. Get to the lead it away. Get to the cake.
Give me something for the night, give me something for the pain. Give me something that will last me all the way. I give him something that will like, give him something for the night. Give him something that will last them all the way.
Switch up the pace, Chitty, you mad, you gotta chase. It's in the bag, she wanna stay. I got some plans, you need a cape, I need a cab. You wanna date, this is your chance. I'm calling the Uber, dog, I got a dash. Don't do my tuba, I ain't got the app. Off to a party to hustle some cash. So we switch up the pace and we got on the decks. Murdered the stage, off to the next. Taking your bait, but you can relax. It's just for the day, she gon' be back. Uvuleli safe, I couldn't escape. Had to be safe, I pulled out the disc, put it in place. Gave me the cake, facing the bitch. She saying my name and I switch up the pace. Moving too fast, stay in your lane. Get to the cake, lead it away. Switch up the pace. Moving too fast, living life. Get to the lead it away. Get to the cake.
Give me something for the night, give me something for the pain. Give me something that will last me all the way. I give him something that will like, give him something for the night. Give him something that will last them all the way.
Switch up the pace, moving too fast, stay in your lane. Get to the cake, lead it away. Let it away. Switch up the pace, living that fast. Let it away. Switch the pace, moving too fast, stay in your lane. Get to the cake, lead it away. You are now tuned in to recording live again on RadioDR.co.za.